And the 12% GST slab being gone away with simplified tax framework. The 12% GST is levied on the items like butter, ghee, fruit juice, packed coconut water contributes only 5% of the total revenue. So said that removing the slab is most feasible. Here's why. Which would be the first meeting of 30 member GOE in Bihar, Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chowdhury, which was set up to suggest tax on health and life insurance premium. 12% goods and service tax slab contribute only 5% of the Indian's total GST revenue. Market is the lowest revenue generator among the four primary slabs. According to the source, the contest of 18% slab dominates the collection accounting service massively 73% of the overall revenue, which is 28 percentage between 12.5% share of the general revenue. The group of ministers GOEM and GST state the rationalization like review food items, textiles, and footwear that is back bracketed as essential for the common man. BRACKET bracketed for the common man that is attacked 12% levy on October 12 meetings as well. The GST comprehensive indirect taxes on the supply of goods and services would be a requested resource of the revenue board central state government structure into the four primary slab 5 and 12, 18, 20. The contribute from the slab is overall GST revenue was significant. This 12% slab was significantly least and the lowest 5% slab from 8% of total income. So 12% slab garners the lowest revenue may be gradually made a redundant by removing item from to another GS slab one of the source tool. Okay.